the egg like so. Seperti ini. Well, thank you. And here we have Jack, our beautiful corn snakes. Corn snakes comes from southeastern and central of America. And it's called corn snake because it usually can be found in the cornfield. First in line. And can weigh over 120 kilograms. They can be found in Southeast Asia, like Indonesia. They live in a cave or in the beautiful python onto the stage. Snakes are both fascinated and pride man. They have been taught to be sly. And here we have a couple of binturongs. Binturongs, also known as the Asian bear cat. But in fact, they are neither a bear nor a cat. They are the largest humanid in the world that possess a fully prehensile bill, which they use like an extra arms while climbing. Southeast Asia, like Indonesia, such as the island of Java, Sumatra, and Borneo. They can live around 20 years in captivity. Binturong merupakan musang terbesar di dunia. Di Indonesia, mereka bisa ditemukan di Pulau Jawa, Sumatera, dan Kalimantan. Goodness, the name of this animal. Ada yang tahu nama dari satuannya apa? What is this? Monkey? Yes, you're smart. The orangutan. In Bahasa or in Malay, orang means man and utan means forest. So orangutan means man of the forest or the forest man. So now, his name is Bruno. He's 5 years old and he comes from Borneo. Namanya Bruno, umurnya 5 tahun dan berasal dari Pulau Kalimantan. Okay, look at us. We look alike, don't you think? Agak mirip kan? The reason for this because we share about 96% of our DNA with them. And now, let me give a close look of Bruno's hand. Right, very good. He has 4 long fingers and 1 opposable thumb. Just like us, not to have the same fingerprints. Orangutan memiliki jari dan juga sidik jari sama seperti kita manusia. And now how about your foot, Bruno? Right, very good. Yes, he has 4 long teeth and 1 opposable tooth. And the inner one, the orangutan doesn't have a tunnel on its toe. But one, thank you so much for Bruno, our Bonian orangutan. Namanya Cherry, umurnya 5 tahun dan berasal dari Pulau Kalimantan. Although the orangutan can walk upright for short distance, but in the wild, they will travel by brachiating, which means they will use their strong arms and strong legs to swing from tree to the other tree just like this one. And the orangutan arms can span about 2 meters long. Walaupun orangutan bisa berjalan tegak sama seperti kita manusia, namun di habitat aslinya mereka lebih memilih untuk bergelantungan dari satu pohon ke pohon lainnya seperti yang kita lihat tadi. Dan mereka tak have very strong arms and strong legs, so it's very easy for them to climb the coconut tree. And 1, 2, and 3, very good, Jerry. Right, you got a coconut, and then what will you do with your coconut cherry or your big coconut? Dan kira-kira mau diapain ya ini ya? Atau mau dilempar ke depan ya? Kayak boleh dong. Right? And you know one, the orangutan have same dental arrangement. They also have 32 permanent teeth, but their teeth much stronger. And right here, Cherry will show us just how strong her teeth really are by peeling off the coconut. Right? Could you give support for Cherry? Bisa kasih support buat Cherry? Come on, Cherry, Andy, can do it. A little bit finish. Yes. Alright. Ya, jadi orangutan juga memiliki susunan gigi permanen yang sama seperti kita. Mereka juga memiliki 32 buah gigi permanen. Namun, gigi orangutan jauh lebih kuat ketimbang gigi manusia. Alright, when the orangutan finds, oh no, don't do that. Oh no, please don't throw away the donut. Ya baru aja dibilangin yang benar ya. Oke, Yeah, when the orangutan finds something hard, yeah, they usually knocks or smash the object onto the ground to get the coconut juice. Okay, very good, Cherry. Oh wow, Liz, you're smart. Yeah, and yeah, you didn't want to share to me, Cherry? The coconut juice? But it was delicious. Alright, okay, you're selfish. You didn't want to share to me. Yes, do you know why? Yeah, the intelligence of an adult orangutan is equal to the intelligence of 5 year child. Okay, why are you laughing at me? Is anything wrong behind me? Hi Bruno, what are you doing? Oh, wow! Bruno is picking up the rubbish! See, even the orangutan is really care with their environment. So we can do the same thing, right? Because we share the planet with all living things like animals and plants. Remember that big differences start from simple action, just like this one. Ya, bahkan orang hutan aja juga bisa ya peduli terhadap lingkungannya, buang sampah pada tempatnya. Kita juga jangan mau kalah ya dengan mereka. Right everyone, thank you so much for Bruno and Jerry, our Bornean orangutan.